Alright, let's talk about something I keep hearing. What's the next Toronto? Toronto's been Canada's superstar for ages. Culture, opportunity, crazy real estate, you name it. But let's be real, it's getting crowded, expensive, and a little too intense for some of us. So, outside the GTA, what other city could step up and become the next big thing? My money's on Calgary. Hear me out. Calgary's got this buzz, tons of young people, a tech scene that's absolutely exploding. And compared to Toronto, the cost of living is, honestly, a breath of fresh mountain air. Now, a lot of folks might say Vancouver, but Vancouver's already kind of out-Toronto'd Toronto when it comes to price tags on everything. Montreal's amazing. Love the food, love the vibe, but it's got its own unique thing going on, and the language can be a barrier for some. Calgary, though, it's reinventing itself. No longer just the oil and gas hub your uncle talks about. There's art, there's diversity, and people are moving there from everywhere. The city's set up for growth, wide streets, tons of space, and honestly, the Rockies are just an hour away. How can you beat that? Now, will Calgary ever be Toronto 2.0? Maybe not. But it's got the bones to be Canada's next hotspot. If you're looking for that big city energy, without the big city headaches, keep your eye on Calgary. Got another city in mind? Drop it in the comments. I want to know where you think the next Toronto will be. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.